Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this dollhouse. I will list all of the materials in the info box, and for those who are interested in the measurements of the walls, you can find them at the end of the video and take a screenshot if you like. This big piece of foam board is going to be the base of the apartment. Here you can see me drawing the layout according to those measurements, and now I'm preparing the walls using more foam board and cork to make miniature bricks. Once the brick wall is finished, I'm using strips of paperboard or thin foam board to make the door frame and protect the edges. Repeat on the other side and apply a layer of varnish to the cork before painting it in the color of your choice. I'm decorating the rest of the walls with regular paper and contact paper. And now cut balsa wood into strips that are 2.5 centimeters wide and divide each strip into sections. Make sure not to cut all the way through, since it is a lot easier and quicker to create the miniature flooring using a few long strips instead of many small pieces. Cover a small piece of foam board in silver contact paper, glue it to the door, poke 2 holes in it, and use a small piece of wire to make the door handle. Bend it in the right shape, cut off the excess, and attach it to the door frame using a toothpick. I'm recreating a nursery from a previous video with just a few changes. If you would like to know how I made the furniture, you can follow the link in the info box. I made these bathroom items myself, and there are tutorials for most of them on my YouTube channel. If you're interested, you can check out the links in the info box. And to make the kitchen cabinets, I'm using foamboard, paperboard, paint, a paperclip, and a pin needle. The kitchen is from a previous video as well. I rearranged it to fit the size of the room and painted it black. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!